News this morning. Overnight, a mass shooting in Chatham. At least 7 people were shot near 75th and Prairie, and that's where CBS 2's Brandon Morano joins us now from live at that scene. Brandon.
Suzanne, yeah, still a very active scene here in Chatham near the Park Manor and Grand Crossing neighborhoods. I'm going to take a step out of the shot. You can see police officers still working this crime scene, crime tape, all up throughout East 75th Street here near the 7500 block of Prairie. At least 24 officers still on the scene. We talked to a witness and some police officers here today. Official numbers from the Chicago Fire Department say 7 people were taken to the hospital. We're hearing from police officers and witnesses here that it could have been more than 7 people. We're unsure of all of their conditions right now. We do know that a few were in red or critical condition, and some were in a less serious condition than that. We talked to a witness, Ebony Watson, who actually got shot just almost a year ago today.
Yeah, I got shot in a drive-by shooting at a funeral shooting. So, I barely come out. I just started coming back around outside. So, that kind of, threw me back into a flashback when it happened.
Now, Ebony also caught that whole shooting on a Facebook Live video. We'll show you snippets of that throughout the morning as well, here coming up at 5:30. But for right now, Chicago police continuing to investigate this shooting that happened a little after 2 o'clock this morning. For now, in Chatham, Brandon Morano, CBS 2 News.
Thanks so much, Brandon.